Hello students, in last lecture we have studied the nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So today we are going to learn the general method of preparation of alcohols and phenols. From that, first study the preparation of alcohols. So, preparation of alcohol. How alcohol are prepared or how alcohol are obtained. There are many reactions from which alcohols are obtained. From that, the first reaction is by alkyl halide. First one is by alkyl halide. So how alcohols are prepared from alkyl halide? Alkyl halide are hydrolyzed with aqueous alkali to form alcohol. I repeat again. Alkyl halide are hydrolyzed with aqueous alkali to form alcohol. So let's see the general reaction. R-X plus aqueous KOH gives R-OH, means alcohol, plus Kx. Here alkyl halide hydrolyzes with aqueous KOH to form alcohol. Let's see the example. CH3Br plus KOH aqueous gives CH3OH plus KBr. Here methyl bromide react with aqueous alkali or hydrolyzes with aqueous alkali to form methyl alcohol and potassium bromide. Then next we see another reaction, that is by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. By acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Let's see. Here alkene react with sulfuric acid. Alkene react with sulfuric acid to form alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and this alkyl hydrogen sulfate on hydrolysis to form alcohol. Let's see the structure. See the reaction. CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. React with sulfuric acid to form or hydrolysis to form CH3 CH2 dash OSO3H. Here alkene we take ethene. Ethene react with sulfuric acid to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Then this ethyl hydrogen sulfate on hydrolysis to give alcohol. So CH3-CH2-OSO3H on hydrolysis to form CH3-CH2-OH plus H2SO4. I repeat again. By acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Here how alcohols are prepared from alkene. So alkene react with sulfuric acid to form alkyl hydrogen sulfate. Here we take the example ethene. So ethene react with sulfuric acid to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This ethyl hydrogen sulfate again hydrolysis to form ethyl alcohol and sulfuric acid. Then our third method of preparation of alcohol is hydroboration or oxidation of alkene. Our third method of preparation is hydroboration, the oxidation of alkene. Oxidation of alkene. So how alcohol prepared from hydroboration? Here alkene react with diborane, undergo addition reaction to form trialkyl borane, and this trialkyl borane on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide to form alcohol. Let's see here CH3-CH double bond CH2 plus B2H6. We get example propylene. React with diborane to form trialkyl borane. Here the product form is CH3CH2-CH2 thrice B. We get the product tripropylborane. Propylene undergo addition reaction with diborane to form tripropylborane. This tripropylborane undergo oxidation reaction with hydrogen peroxide to form N-propyl alcohol. Here oxidation of tripropylborane with hydrogen peroxide to form N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol plus BOH thrice. Tripropylborane undergo oxidation with hydrogen peroxide to form N-propyl alcohol. So we get alcohol from the reaction of hydroboration. Okay. Then our fourth method of preparation of alcohol is by reduction of carbonyl compound. Fourth one is by reduction of carbonyl compound. By reduction with carbonyl compound. In that first we study by reduction of aldehydes. By reduction of aldehyde. So how phenol is prepared from aldehyde? Here aldehyde on reduction with H2 or nickel or lithium aluminum hydrate to form primary alcohol. Let's see R-CHO with H2 or nickel or lithium aluminum hydrate to form primary alcohol. Let's say example H-CHO formaldehyde or reduction with H2 or nickel to form methyl alcohol. Formaldehyde on reduction with H2 or nickel to form methyl alcohol. From formaldehyde we get methyl alcohol. Okay. Then second is by reduction of ketone. So how alcohol can obtain by reduction of ketone. So ketone on reduction with H2 on nickel or lithium aluminum hydrate to form secondary alcohol. Let's see. R dash C double bond O dash R with H2 on nickel or lithium aluminum hydrate to form R dash CH dash R dash OH secondary alcohol from ketone. So ketone on reduction with H2 on nickel or lithium aluminum hydrate to form secondary alcohol. Let's see example. CH3 dash C double bond O dash CH3 with H2 on nickel to form CH3 dash CH OH dash CH3 from acetone. Acetone on reduction with H2 on nickel gives the product isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Then our fifth method of preparation of alcohol is by reduction of carboxylic acid. By reduction of carboxylic acid. So how alcohol prepared from carboxylic acid? Here the carboxylic acid require strong reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydrate. So carboxylic acid on reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate to form primary alcohol. Let's see the general reaction. R dash C double bond O dash OH. Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid on lithium aluminum hydrate gives R dash CH2 dash OH primary alcohol. From carboxylic acid we get primary alcohol. See the example. CH3 dash C double bond O dash OH with lithium aluminum hydrate gives CH3 CH2 OH ethyl alcohol. So on reduction of acetic acid with lithium aluminum hydrate to give the product ethyl alcohol. So by reduction of carboxylic acid we get the product alcohol. Okay. Then fifth reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. Our next fifth reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. So how alcohol are prepared from Grignard reagent? How alcohol are prepared from Grignard reagent? When Grignard reagent react with aldehyde or ketone to form adduct, and this adduct then undergo hydrolysis with dilute HCl to form corresponding alcohols. So let's see. Here we take carbonyl compound. So Grignard reagent added to carbonyl compound. RMgX is Grignard reagent react with carbonyl compound to form adduct, that is C-O MgX-R. This is adduct. Adduct is formed. This adduct again hydrolysis. This adduct again hydrolysis with dilute HCl. This adduct is again hydrolysis with dilute HCl to form corresponding alcohol. corresponding alcohol MgXOH. So let's see here carbonyl compound. The Grignard reagent react with or added with carbonyl compound to form adduct. These adduct again hydrolysis to form corresponding alcohols. Thank you.